Welcome to the Year 6 Christmas celebration. Fideo i wneud I chi deimlo'n nadoligos ac I ddangos ychydig o'r gwaith yn ystod y tymor.
Make you feel Christmassy and show some of our work during the term.
Awn yn ôl mewn amser I Nadolig 1914 ac faes y gad yng Ngwlad Belg.
Rydyn ni'n wedi bod yn dysgu am y milwyr fel y bardd heddwyn a oedd wedi cochi ei fywyd yn brwydro yn y Rhyfel Byd Cyntaf.
Off we go back in time to the Christmas of 1914 to the battleground of the First World War in Belgium.
We have been learning about the soldiers like the Welsh poet Heddwyn, who was killed in action in the First World War.
Down sydd yn ddangos y Rhyfel Byd Cyntaf.
Here's a dance that shows the First World War.
Christmas drawing near, wishing you love and gladness and a happy new year.
10 little Christmas trees are growing in a line. The first went to the Celtic Manor and that left only 9.
Found it long to wait. The second went to Monmouthshire and that left only 8.
8 little Christmas trees said Christmas will be heaven. The third went to the Esquite House and that only left 7. Christmas tree, all as straight as sticks. The fourth one went to the Transporter Bridge and that left only 6. Christmas trees all grown and alive. The fifth went to Spee and that left only 5. 5 little Christmas trees said, well, they want some more. The 6th went to Caerleon and that left only 4.
4 little Christmas trees, as sturdy as could be. The 7th went to Evil Isle and that left only 3.
3 little Christmas trees that grew and grew and grew. The 8th went to Broad Tyrone and that left only 2.
2 little Christmas trees, December almost done. 9 went to Gwentysgoed and that left only 1. 1 little Christmas tree, feeling very small. She came to our school and that was best of all.
Rydyn ni wedi edrych yn ôl mewn amser, ond mae'n Nadolig ar flwyddyn newydd yn adeg I feddwl am eraill ac I ystyried pobl sy'n lle ffodus na ni.
We have looked back in time, but Christmas and the New Year is a time to think of others, and those that are less fortunate than ourselves.
Mae'n bwysig I drin eraill fel yr offon ni gael ei drin.
Yn ystod y tymor, fe dysgon ni am awr yn Rosa Parks.
Dyma ei dawns I dweud ei hanes.
It is very important to treat others how you'd like to be treated. During the term, we learned about the hero, Rosa Parks. Here is our dance to retell the history.
Wel a I ddim ceiriw yn dod dros y bryn, a chlywai I mor clychau yn canu yn y glyn.
Ond mae gwydyn chwilio sy'n dan y llwyd wedi mi swapio ar y noson mor oed.
Mae yna ddyn eira yn ganol y ros yn disgwyl yn eiddgar am Santa Claus.
Sgaffau ŵdd o hedau'r pen yn astudio sef sy'n disgleirio nen.
Gysgu a chael breuddwyd byr am geirin Carlym I dan Jim yn Joseph.
Yna, deffon y boring gyda iawn, a chan fod y hosan yn fwy na llawn.
A Santa wedi dyfanu yn siwr. Fel y dyn eira, I ble, pwy ar oed.
Roedd yn gyfle I treulio amser gyda pobl sy'n bwysig I mi. Dewch I dathlu gyda ni.
This is the time to spend with our loved ones.
Come to celebrate with us.
Glória,
true meaning of Christmas on one special night. When we go shopping, we say how much will it cost, and then the true meaning of Christmas becomes lost.
The children look for Santa in his big red sleigh, never thinking of others with a hope to brighten their day.
As we look into the sky, we should see the star burning bright and high. And remember, the child that was born would not like to see others so alone and forlorn.
This is a happy time for family, love and laughter.
It's important to ensure that all of us also get there happily ever after.
Johnny man written down the chimney and seeing lots of children acting oh so sweetly.
Gwres y tan ar eira'n lan, dyma sut mae bod. Amser gorau'r flwyddyn mae Nadolig wedi dod. Hedfan lawr y grisiau, fel angel syth o'r nen. Goleuadur coeden fel y ser yn medru hen. Codi cyn y wawr a'n region dros y llawr. Teimla'r cyffro nawr am y diwrnod mawr. Gwres y tan ar eira'r lan, dyma sut mae fod. Amser gorau'r flwyddyn mae Nadolig wedi dod. Clychu'r llan yn ganu yn sain ar oes a fi. Gwydra nawr yn gwagio gwynt a twrci'n llenwi'r tŷ. Dyma'r diwrnod wyt ti'n barod. Dwi eisiau gwybod ydy Santa wedi bod. Gwres y tan ar eira'n lan, dyma sut mae fod. Amser gorau'r flwyddyn mae Nadolig wedi dod. Ar ei glei sut mae fod. Amser gorau'r flwyddyn mae Nadolig wedi dod. Gwres y tan ar eira'n lan, dyma sut mae fod. Amser gorau'r flwyddyn mae Nadolig wedi dod. Amser gorau'r flwyddyn mae Nadolig wedi dod.